Today I want to present about my project title is Investigations of Narrow Bipolar Pulse Lightning and the Influence of Northeast Monsoon Season. Firstly, the introduction is narrow bipolar pulse (NBP), or also known as compact intracloud discharge, can be singled out from other lightning process due to their associations with strong radiofrequency radiation. This project to identify more details about the relationship between the production of narrow bipolar pulse, either isolated narrow bipolar pulse and narrow bipolar pulse associated with cloud to ground flash (CG) with monsoon changes. After that, the objective of this project is first, identify narrow bipolar pulse (NBP) lightning under influence of northeast monsoon season. Number two is identify type or classifications of narrow bipolar pulse (NBP) lightning. Number three is determine the parameters of a narrow bipolar pulse (NBP). This is the research methodology. The flow sequence of the research process. Firstly, starting. After that, problem statement and research goals. Then, reviewing all the online sources, the article or others. After that, collecting the data. Then, analysis the data. Lastly, the thesis establishment, and then end. For the result discussion, there are other type of parameter of the NBP. I just to show the one parameter, the peak amplitude. This is the NBP peak amplitude general. This is the histogram for NBP peak amplitude general. The total of the narrow bipolar pulse peak amplitude general is 55 with mode 0.358 microsecond and the median is 0.326 microsecond. The peak amplitude of NBP varied from negative 1.859 microsecond to 0.479 microsecond. Its arithmetic mean value was 0.22 microsecond and the standard deviation is 0.37 microsecond. Based on the histogram, the maximum frequency of the peak amplitude is 46 with the peak range between 0.1 volt to 0.5 volt. Okay, for the second highest frequency peak amplitude is 8, with range between negative 0.4 volt to 0 volt. Lastly, the minimum frequency of the peak amplitude is 1, with a range value negative 1.9 volt to negative 1.5 volt. The range mean of the histogram is plus minus 0.4. After that, this is the isolated NBP peak amplitude. The total of the isolated narrow bipolar pulse peak amplitude is 46 with mode 0.358 microsecond and the median is 0.35 microsecond. The isolated peak amplitude of NBP varied from negative 1.859 microsecond to 0.479 microsecond. Its arithmetic value was 0.27 microsecond and the standard deviation is 0.36 microsecond. Based on the histogram, the maximum frequency of the isolated NBP peak amplitude is 43, with the peak range between 0.1 to 0.5 volt. The second highest frequency of isolated NBP peak amplitude is 2, with range between negative 0.4 to 0 volt. And lastly, the minimum frequency of the isolated NBP peak amplitude is 1, with range value negative 1.9 volt to negative 1.5 volt. After that, this is the histogram of NBP peak amplitude with CG. The total of narrow bipolar pulse peak amplitude with CG is 9, with the median is negative 0.107 microsecond. The peak amplitude with CG of NBP varied from negative 0.441 microsecond to 0.371 microsecond. Its arithmetic mean value was negative 0.04 microsecond, and the standard deviation is 0.30 microsecond. Based on the histogram, the maximum frequency of the peak amplitude with CG is 6, with the peak range between negative 0.4 to 0 volt. The minimum frequency of the peak amplitude with CG is 3, with the range value 0.1 to 0.5 volt. Okay. As the conclusion, the simulation has been completed by using Wave Studio software. Based on the data that have been analyzed, all objectives already been achieved. The first objective is to identify narrow bipolar pulse NBP lightning under influence or not of northeast monsoon season. By using the Wave Studio software, the data of the narrow bipolar pulse on the northeast monsoon season that occur in November can be defined. The second objective is to identify the type of narrow bipolar pulse NBP lightning. There are 3 types of the NBP pulse. Firstly, narrow bipolar pulse general. Second, isolated narrow bipolar pulse, and narrow bipolar pulse NBP with CG. These 3 types of NBP have different characteristics further and has its own distinctive further. This type or classification can be defined by using the Wave Studio software in detail, and also can define in detail the characteristic each type of NBP. The final objective of this project is to determine the parameter of a narrow bipolar pulse NBP. Each narrow bipolar pulse NBP lightning has their own parameter. The NBP parameter such as peak amplitude, duration NBP pulse, zero crossing time OZCT, rising time, overshoot ratio, and full wide half maximum FWHM can determine each of the NBP parameter in detail in this project by using Wave Studio software. And this is the reference of my project. Thank you.
Okay, for this demo, this is the Wave Studio software. I take sample data 78. Okay, this is the narrow bipolar pulse signal. Okay. So we show the cursor and show the measure to know the parameter of this NBP. See, okay, from this to this is the peak amplitude. This is Y4 397.4 millifarad. Okay, from this to this is duration NBP pulse. Duration NBP pulse. And from this to this is ZCT, zero crossing time. we look from delta x 4.91 microsecond, and from this to this is the rising time 0 to 100%, and for 10 to 90% rising time we must multiply with the peak amplitude, and we know this. Okay, from this to this. Okay, for overshoot from this to this overshoot. This is overshoot value, negative 133.9 millivolt. Okay, for ratio and for FWHM full width half maximum, we must multiple 0.5 multiple with peak amplitude, and we put this in the middle after we get the value 0.5 multiple peak amplitude. Okay, from this to this is the FWHM value. This is the demo for my project. Thank you.